I want to eat garlic. I want to eat the garlic. Hello and welcome to a new episode with Pasta Queen and Pasta Bro. Ago, Today we are making a very classic aglio olio and peperoncino. Classic spaghetti. Aglio olio and peperoncino means olive oil, garlic and chili pepper sauce for a very simple 10-minute recipe. Let's go! Ingredients.
They call it midnight snack because it's so easy that you can make it at midnight.
I'm going to teach you a little way to extend the cooking of the olive oil to get the maximum essence out of the garlic cloves. Alright, apron on. Okay. Now we are going to slice the garlic really nice and fine. This is aglio e olio, garlic and olive oil. I do not want to take the garlic out. I want to eat garlic and I want to keep the vampires away. We're making them fine, almost like a garlic paste, so that when you actually put it inside the olive oil, it's almost going to melt. I do not want to get the garlic clove in and take it out. I want to eat the garlic. Now we add a sprinkle of salt, just a drop of extra virgin olive oil, and now you create that paste. You mush it down until it's a beautiful cream that's gonna go into your olive oil. So we have the garlic reduced almost to a paste. We've got the extra virgin olive oil, parsley stems, they release so much flavor. And now we put the chili pepper chopped up in.
Spicy.
You should do it with fresh chili peppers where you can. Unfortunately, we couldn't find any. My favorite ones to use here are cayenne chili peppers from the family of the Pinocchio, just the name. We chopped up the dried chili peppers, we leave the seeds. The seeds make it even more spicy, and now we toss it all in. I had to move the pan away because it is a grave sin to talk while you're making aglio olio. You do not, and I say it here, you do not burn the garlic ever. It will taste bitter. It will make your sauce like a bitter enemy. So what do? Come on, join me.
So we add more?
So what we do is this. We lower the flame so that it keeps on extracting. However, we add some cold extra virgin olive oil to the sauce so that it lowers the temperature of the sauce while still cooking and still extracting all of the garlic flavors into it, so that you really have a potent, amazing sauce. This is a very, very important trick with this recipe. The pasta water is boiling. Let's put the salt in. It's time to put the spaghetti in the hot, boiling, rolling water. Let's go. I turned the flame off on the sauce. Now, as the pasta goes in, I turn it back on low and add a little bit more extra virgin olive oil, just to keep the temperature lowering so that you can extract and extract and extract and extract and extract and also extract. Did I say it? Extract. That's the key word for today. Extraction. I'm gonna get rid of the stems. They have given all they could. You did so great.
We're doing great. Work it all.
Just like you are.
Okay, bye.
The pasta is al dente. We drain it right into the sauce, and now we add a little bit of the tears of the gods. Now mix and massage with the passion of an Italian. And now it's ready to be served with a sprinkle of parsley on top. Just gorgeous. Okay, brother test.
Brother.
The test of all brothers. Okay, right.
Okay.
Yeah. Just a tiny bit of a taste of it. A sampling. Vero? Just like you are. We're going to lunch. I had a great time. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little bell so that the moment a recipe comes out, you get notified. Yes! I love you, stay gorgeous, and remember, you are amazing, and so are
This is pasta.
we
No.
and the pasta.
So is this pasta.
Bye!
She wakes up like this, guys.
Vai, vai. I need some tap. I didn't get too good at it.
Yep. Now we're practicing.